Hi everyone, recently we visited Clay Carts in Perdur, which is about 25 kilometers from Manipal, and they have a wide range of clay products which they sell at a very reasonable price. At the entrance of the building there is showcase with all the showpieces placed, and this is the area where they make the pots as well as place all the items that is available, and you can ask to visit this underground area. They make few of the items over here and they bring it from outside, the bigger items, and I will show you how they make it. This is the mud that is bought from a nearby place which is very moist right now, and some of the mud is taken, and if you want to see how it's made, then you can ask the person over there. Usually there is a boy or a granny who sits over there, and you need to visit this place before 5 o'clock in the evening if you want to see how it's made and also try your hand at it. This is the automatic rotating machine. Initially there were manual machines, so I also tried my hand at it. This is my first pottery experience, and of course I had nails on my hand, which is not suitable for making pots, but I tried and somehow I made one pot. So you should not have any nails if you want to make a proper pot and learn pottery. Keep your hand moist while making it, and do not put very high pressure, put minimal pressure. It's a very soothing activity. You may not get a chance to make your own pot here, however you need to ask for it. As there were nobody at all and we were the only ones, I got a chance to do this. You can take this pot home, however I feel it's of no use, because once you make it, the process is let it dry for a few hours and then use a stick and a stone to bring it to a proper shape, because when you make it and immediately place it aside, it will not be in a proper shape and it might have some dents here and there. And after that you place it in the sunlight for like few hours or half a day, and after this you need to put it in a boiler for the hardening process. Since we cannot put only one item in the boiler, what they do here is, once there are 1000 or 1500 pieces available, then they put all together in the boiler for the hardening process. This is how you get a final clay product. Once it is done, it may be in the color of dark brown or black color. If you want some coloring over it, like any decor to be done, then when you place the order over here, you can let them know what kind of design you want, what colors to be used if you don't want a plain pot. Or if you are good at art, then you can paint it yourself. They do not paint themselves when you place the order. They send it to some other vendor for the art or the painting to be done, and then they will give you that clay piece in a few days. They also have their buy only showroom near Sharda International, that is the highway near Udupi. However, the cost is on the higher side over there, and in Perdur it is cheaper when compared to it. They also have their website www.claycarts.com, where you can check out the pieces online and they will deliver it to you, and you can track your order as well over there. Now here I'm going to remove that final product by using the thread and pull it at one go. And this is the final pot that I made. You can see a small hole below, but that can be covered in the process what I just mentioned earlier, where you use the stick and stone and cover that hole, and here you go. They have a wide range of collection. There are so many items that you need a lot of time to go through all of these, and if you're really interested in choosing the right piece for you, they have home decoration items, home appliances, kitchen items, the garden clay items, puja accessories, and clay toys, and some other fancy items to be placed in your showcase. And their packing is also very good, and they help you in finding the respective items whatever you want over here. Hope you enjoyed this Clay Carts visit.